Nova Electric's vertically integrated structure and state-of-the-art facilities include all necessary departments for the complete design, manufacturing, and testing of rugged custom power sources, including research and development labs, electrical and mechanical engineering, sheet metal fabrication and finishing, wire harness assembly, both small and large transformer design, manufacturing, and testing, surface mount, through-hole, and combination surface mount and through-hole printed circuit board assembly, test, and conformal coating, subassembly fabrication and test, final box build, battery pack manufacturing and test, final electrical tests and ATP, and vibration and temperature testing. Having all facets of the design and production of our rugged power sources under one roof ensures total AS9100D certified quality and gives Nova Electric the ability to rapidly customize our standard rugged power sources as required. Specific areas of expertise in customized supplies include liquid-cooled power sources, high-frequency lightweight topology, high-power applications, formal third-party qualification to MIL standards including 1399, 461, 901, and 810, custom frequencies including 25, 91.6, 100, 200, and 250 Hz is used for rail signaling, and integrated AC and DC power capabilities. For more information, please don't hesitate to contact us.